Hello everybody, welcome back to Machine Station. Today we have the Mazak NEXUS VCN-510CII. This machine comes with a Matrix NEXUS CNC control. It has a 12,000 RPM Precision Spindle, 30 count high-speed automatic tool changer, Renishwaw wireless probing system, 4th axis ready, high pressure Thru spindle coolant. It comes with synchronized tapping, spindle orientation, spindle chiller unit. For full specifications, as always, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Mazak NEXUS VCN-510CII. For any further questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.